Welcome back to Incredible Machine. Today we are excited to introduce you to an impressive lineup of forestry machinery and their outstanding features. If you are passionate about powerful machines and innovative technology, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any exciting content. Let's explore the wonders of the machine world together right now. This video truly has the potential to illustrate natural selection at its finest. It's amazing to see the experts working with such finesse and skill, using the Vermeer wood chipper to cut and grind entire trees efficiently. They not only demonstrate professionalism, but also showcase the power and effectiveness of modern technology. With every turn of the Vermeer chipper's blade, pieces of wood are pulverized, highlighting the incredible strength and performance of this machine. Witnessing this process is truly an inspiring experience. It's amazing to see him using the Stihl MS 462 chainsaw to fell trees. With its powerful 4.4 kilowatts engine, weight of only 6.0 kilograms, and effective anti-vibration system, this machine is truly impressive. Sometimes I see people not wearing protective gear, which worries me, but he is different. He wears full protective gear, and that makes me really happy. Keep up the great work. It's truly impressive to see the Raptor XXL DK in action during its round wood crushing trials. With a powerful Cat C 18 diesel engine boasting 710 horsepower and a 3-meter-long tool shaft, this gigantic machine weighing 45 tons is truly a beast designed for the toughest crushing tasks. Its power and performance are simply astounding. The ChipMax 484 VR, mounted on a Volvo truck with a 6-wheel drive, is a colossal chipper capable of processing up to 140 tons per hour and producing high-quality chips. With an impressive crane reach of up to 11 meters, it stands as one of the largest truck-mounted chippers in the world, showcasing remarkable efficiency and power. It's amazing to witness a professional using a Stihl chainsaw to fell a large oak tree with a volume of 22 cubic meters. He works with professionalism and care, fully equipped with protective gear to ensure absolute safety throughout the process. This scene not only showcases his skill, but also demonstrates the seriousness and responsibility he brings to his work. With every cut of his saw, we can feel the power and efficiency of the Stihl machine, while also seeing the hardworking and inspiring spirit of the operator. This is truly an impressive image, a testament to the perfect synergy between man and technology.
Calculate uma. Yeah.
TFG Tree Service is truly impressed with the Jansen GTS 1500E chipper. This is exactly what you need to clean up an area quickly and more efficiently than some larger models. This guy has upgraded the machine with a 24 GP twin-cylinder Jansen engine instead of the standard 15 GP1, along with a top-mounted fuel tank and a modified chute. These upgrades are truly remarkable, transforming an already good standard machine into something exceptional. Jansen should really take note of these improvements because he has made it better than ever. The Log Splitter HC24 T-Turbo Posh is a professional-grade vertical hydraulic splitter with an impressive 24-ton pressure capacity, making it ideal for preparing firewood. Its powerful hydraulic system ensures efficient and quick splitting of logs, significantly reducing the time and effort required. This machine is a valuable asset for anyone needing a reliable and robust solution for firewood preparation, highlighting its efficiency and capability in handling even the toughest logs. Never ever underestimate a man with a come-along and pulleys. Leverage, fulcrum, block, and tackle. These are tools from the dawn of human understanding of machinery. He used them masterfully to uproot a tree stump. It's truly commendable. He turned a tough job into an easy task. Kudos to him. The homemade log planing machine for log cabins is absolutely astounding. It efficiently handles logs with a diameter of 30 to 35 centimeters at the top and a length of 740 centimeters, taking around 15 minutes to plane a single log, sometimes needing 2 passes. This machine is a game changer. Considering how tough it is to plane logs in winter, this machine is a real lifesaver. Huge respect to the ingenious creators. The Peterson 4310B is an amazing machine, capable of crushing branches and large logs with ease and efficiency. The resulting chips can be used for many purposes, as fuel, bedding for livestock or agriculture, and if finely ground, they can even be used for crab packaging. Truly a versatile and powerful device, bringing immense value to its users. Thank you for watching the entire video. Click on the suggested videos on the screen to continue exploring more exciting content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. See you next time.